Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, in this video, we are going to see how to download apps on Xumo Streambox, App Store install, sign in, and fix missing apps. You cannot manually download or install new apps on a Xumo Streambox because the device does not have a traditional app store. Instead, the Xumo platform operates on a cloud-based OS that automatically pushes over 300 plus pre-installed apps directly to your device. Because everything is entirely managed in the cloud, you do not need to sign in to an app store or manually update anything. Now, how to find and install apps on the main menu. First, press the microphone button on your Xumo remote and say the name of the app, for example, Netflix or Disney Plus. Now the system will locate it immediately. On the main dashboard menu, scroll down to the Apps section or Apps and Inputs, View All section. Now this will open the library categorized by genre or alphabetized order. Now open the app you want and exit back to the home screen. Then find the app inside the recently opened row, highlight it, then press the menu button, which is the three dots on your remote, and select Add to App Row or Pin to Home. Next, how to sign into your apps. You do not use a single Xumo account to log into individual apps. So open your chosen streaming apps like Hulu, Prime Video, or YouTube from the main menu and select Sign in inside that specific app. Now use your mobile phone or computer to scan the displayed QR code or enter the activation link provided on screen to pair your existing account subscription. Next, how to fix missing apps. First, hard reset the streaming box. Simply go to Settings, in it, go to System, find Restart and tap on it. Now, if the interface is frozen, physically unplug the power adapter from the back of the Xumo Stream box and wait for 60 seconds. Then after 60 seconds, plug it back in, as this forces the cloud server to resync your app row. Next is to manually check for system updates. Simply navigate to Settings and it go to System, then tap on Check for updates. A pending firmware update can sometimes hide newly added native applications. Now, geographic restrictions. If you're trying to find an app like a local regional sports network or a specialized utility app, check the official Xumo app availability guide. If the app developer has not partnered with Xumo, it cannot be sideloaded onto the box. Thank you for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share and subscribe to our channel.